Welcome to Maths 123. So in this question we have to find the factors of this polynomial x raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 3 plus 9 times x square plus 7x minus 10. So let's see how we find the factors of this polynomial. As the power of this polynomial is 4, so there will be 4 factors for this polynomial. So we can factorize this polynomial by using the integral root theorem. It says if fx is a polynomial with integral coefficient and the leading coefficient is 1, then any integer root of fx is a factor of the constant term. So here the leading coefficient for this polynomial is equal to 1. So it means that the factors of here c is equal to negative 10 must be the factors of this polynomials. So now first of all we have to find the factors of c. Factors of 10 equal to plus minus 1, plus minus 2, 3 is not a factor, 4 is not a factor, plus minus 5 and plus minus 10. All these are the factors of the constant. Then if these are the factors of the constant, then so here we can say all these are the possible roots of the polynomial. Let me take that polynomial is equal to fx is equal to x raised to power 4 negative 7 raised to power 3 plus 9x square plus 7x minus 10. Now all these are the possible factors of this polynomial. So one by one, by putting all these values, we can find out the factors of a polynomial. Let's take this 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Then f1 must be equal to 0. If it is 0, then it is a factor of this polynomial. If it is not equal to 0, then it is not a factor of this polynomial. Now we'll put this 1 here. Let's see whether f1 is equal to 0 or not. So f1 is equal to 1 raised to power 4 minus 7 1 raised to power 3 plus 9 1 raised to power 2 plus 7 multiplied with 1 minus 10, which this is equal to 1. This is negative 7 plus 9 plus 7 minus 10. So this will get cancelled with this. This is 9 plus 1, 10. So this will become 10 minus 10, which is equal to 0. So therefore f1 is equal to 0. This is correct. It means that x minus 1 is a factor of fx. Now similarly we'll check for the f minus 1. So we'll put minus 1 raised to power 4 minus 7 minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 9 multiplied with minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 7 multiplied with minus 1 minus 10. So this will become equal to 1. So here we'll get negative sign. Negative plus negative is 7. So here we'll get plus 9. Here it will be negative 9, 10. So this is equal to 7 and this will get cancelled with this. 9 plus 1 is 10 minus 10. This is equal to 0. So it means this f minus 1 is equal to 0. So this implies x plus 1 is also a factor of fx. So one by one we have to put all the values to find out the other factors of this polynomial. But here is a trick. So that trick is this. So we know the x minus 1 and x plus 1, these are the factors of fx. So this implies if we multiply these two, x minus 1 and x plus 1, so we'll get some polynomial. Let me take this as qx, and this, because these are the factors, so it means this qx will divide fx completely. So this we can write as x square minus 1 by applying this identity a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. If we divide fx with qx, the remainder will be equal to 0. Now we will divide this fx with qx to find out other two roots of this polynomial. So fx is, now we'll divide fx with qx, which is qx square minus 1. Here you should know how we divide a polynomial with a polynomial. So here, so first step, we know what is that. We'll divide the first term of fx with qx, so which is x raised to power 4 divided by x square, we'll get x square here. So we'll write x square here, and second step is we'll multiply this x square with x square minus 1, means qx. So we'll get here x raised to power 4 minus x square. So we'll write this x raised to power 4 minus x square here. So after third step is changing the sign. So changing the sign, so here we have plus sign, so we'll make it negative. Here we have negative sign, we'll make it positive. So we'll get here, so this will get cancelled with this. So from here we'll get this, this will come down, we'll take this here, negative 7x cube plus this will become 9 plus 1 and x square plus 7x minus 10. Now same steps, these steps we have to repeat here also. The first we will divide this, first step is negative 7x cube divided by the first term of this qx, which is x square. So we'll get here 7. So we'll write negative 7 here, and second step negative 7 will multiply it with x square minus 1. So here we'll get negative x raised to power 3 plus 7x. So this will write here negative 7x raised to power 3 and plus 7. I'll write here 7. Now third step is changing the sign. So we'll change the sign. Here we have negative sign, it will become plus. Here plus sign, so it will become negative. So from here this will get cancelled and this also will get cancelled. So now I'll take this down, 10x square and this negative 10. So same steps we have to repeat again. So let me write here. So 10x square divided by x square, this will get cancelled with this, we will left with 10. So this 10 I will write here plus 10. Now next is 10 we have to multiply with x square minus 1. So we'll get 10x square minus 10. So third step is changing the sign. So here it is plus, so it will become negative. Here negative, it will become plus. This will get cancelled with this will get, so we'll get 0. So it means this is also so this will also divide our fx completely. So this implies fx is equal to qx multiplied with this x square minus 7x plus 10. So from here we'll get other two factors of this polynomial fx. This is a quadratic equation, x square minus 7x plus 10. So we know how to solve a quadratic equation. So we'll use the midterm split method here. So we'll get the factors x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10. So from here x will come out, so so it will be x minus 5. So from here I'll take 2 out, so this will become x minus 5. So this is equal to x minus 2 and x minus 5. These are other two factors of this polynomial fx. So the factors of fx are x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 5. We can write this fx as x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 5. If you like the video, please give thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.